Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back. Today's video is actually gonna be a fall vibe look, and I did this look yesterday. I wanted to recreate it again. So if you guys wanna see how this look comes up and the products that I'll be using, please keep watching. So I actually created this look yesterday and I wanted to do it again because I love how it looked. It looked really nice. I got a lot of compliments at work of how nice my makeup looked. So I wanted to do it again. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell right here to get more updates when I post a new video. If you're a recent subscriber and been following me for such a long time, so much for doing so. And as you guys know, I have a giveaway coming up when I hit 2K subscribers. So if you want to help me out, please subscribe so that way we can get there sooner, or not later, sooner. Because I have a lot of things in my giveaway. I'll be talking about that later. So yeah, let's recreate this look that I did. It's like glammy, natural look, fall look. So let's go. I'm gonna start with primer. So the thing that I'm gonna start with no problem primer from Touch and Soul. That's my number one step. Now my second step, I'm gonna be putting a blurring primer. So what I'm gonna put this primer on, I'm gonna put it on my T-zone. Usually that's where my pores are, right here and right here. I've been doing this lately and it's been working so good, I'm not gonna lie. Not lying at all. It works really good when you do it like that. And I don't remember who told me, but it's one of the shots that I'm in and they let me know about this, and since I've been doing it, it's been doing wonders. Now I'm gonna let it sit. So I'm gonna cover in case I think it's already absorbed. Okay. Now we're gonna be putting guacamole on my red area. I need a mirror. I'm gonna blend all over the face. Now I don't look red anymore. Now we're gonna put some City Colors Illuminating Cream. I'll mix this together with the foundation. Mix it before so it can give me a glowy skin. I lost my damn puff. It's right here. Okay, so the thing is already blended. Now I want to do something. So I found this, the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Foundation, liquid foundation, and I found it for $2, and I found it at the 99-cent store. I couldn't believe it. I thought it was fake, and it's on the color of Sand Beige. Literally, this is my color, and I found it and I couldn't believe it. I was like looking around like, wait, is this for real? Is this legit? But it shows, yeah, it is. So we're gonna put this on. I still haven't taken it out of the package, but here it is. Here's how it looks like. And it's on the color of Sand Beige. You know what? This foundation doesn't really look that bad. It looks good. It looks natural. It actually looks natural. It doesn't look that exaggerated like the other foundation. We're using concealer, and this time we're gonna be using Milani Retouch and Erase. I have the old bottle. I haven't got the new bottle. The new bottle looks really nice. I prefer that one than this one right here. It's still not hiding my dark circles. Okay, so I actually just did my face and I applied the Becca Hydrating powder, face powder. And then now we're gonna be doing my brows. We're gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Flawless Trio Brow Trio. You guys know I love this product, so we're gonna be using it. Can't stop using this product. I love this product. So I'm gonna finish my brows and then we'll be right back. Okay, so my brows are done. They're done. They look perfect. Look perfect, perfect, perfect. Now we're gonna be working on the eyes. So I don't know why I just don't like using concealer primer for the eyes. I just prefer this concealer from NYX. Is really really good. I love this concealer. And it actually doesn't dry up like the other eye primers that I've been using. They dry up, but this one doesn't dry up. So we got that covered. Now we're gonna put the Becca in my eyes so I can set it up. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna be working on our eyes. But I'll be working with the Milani Most Love mix, and then for the shimmer, we're actually gonna be doing the Tarte. What was it? Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3 for all the shimmery stuff. So this palette doesn't come with any name, so it just comes like this. Oh wait, it's gonna be here in the back. Comes with the mirror. Gonna be using some really really cute fall colors, and I'm not gonna lie, this palette is a fall palette. Now we're gonna be using around the crease. We're gonna put that on. So on our circular mode, we're gonna be applying this color. Now I'm gonna be putting like a purple color because you guys know I love purple. And we're gonna put it. Oh, it looks pretty mixed in. Oh, that looks pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna be using my brush. I don't know where I got this from. Luxie brush. Yes, Luxie brush. And we're gonna spraying. We're gonna be putting some concealer. So I'm gonna be using my brush from Luxie. And when I'm putting the concealer, I'm gonna put some really good shimmer. Now I'm gonna get my Tarte palette, Rainforest of the Sea, and I'm gonna put on the color Escape. Hey, that looks pretty. Okay, so we're gonna put some dark purple in my eyeliner. Now for the face. For the face, we're gonna be using the Too Faced Natural Face palette. It's so beautiful, look at that. First, we're gonna do Sunny Honey. Give me like a little contour. And then for the highlight, we're gonna be using now we're gonna be doing the lashes. For the lashes, I'll be using the Tarte Big Eagle. not, I showed you fake lashes or not. See my Profusion lashes. I don't want to do lashes. I really don't want to do lashes. Too much work. Last but not least, we're gonna be in the Ofra Monaco. And we're finished with the look. Wow, you know what? I'm gonna take this off. And we're done with the look. Oh, I love how it looks. It's glammy, but it's not that exaggerating. It's I love this look. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me in social media, WordPress, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me know what you think about this look. Thank you guys so much. Bye.